In this video, we are going to see how we can disable or enable the save video feature or option on TikTok. So if you want others to download, or if you don't want others to download your video, there is an option with which you can disable or enable the save option on TikTok. In both cases, the procedure is the same. So what you do is just go to the bottom right hand corner and click on your profile icon. And from here, click on the three lines at the top. So we click on the three lines at the top right and click on settings and privacy. And from here, you will scroll down a little bit until you see this interactions section right here. So once you click on this interaction section, we will click on the downloads option. And if you want to, let's say, allow the downloads, you will just toggle that on. And if you don't want the other people to download your videos in their mobile phones, so you can disable that option. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.